Hey guys, Steve here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today we're going to take a very quick look at STI's Combat Master. This is the John Wick gun. It's not new on the market currently. However, we have a guy that's getting ready to buy one and was wanting a discount, so he and I placed a little wager. We're going to bet $100 on a 5-shot group. If he wins, he gets an extra $100 off on the price. So we're going to try it out and see how it works. Neither of us have fired this gun. This is brand new. We're taking it and unpacking it for the first time. So this is how these look when they come out from the factory. This one has truly not been touched. Quick clear. And I'm gonna give our guest of honor the first 5 shots. I will take the second 5 shots and see if we can keep all of our money. So this is Jason. Jason, you don't have any really high-end 1911s currently, right? This is gonna be kind of your first upper.
Not like this.
Not like this, yeah.
CZ.
Yeah, you got right. CZ, but all right. Jason's prior military, so I want to thank him for his service. And you ready to go? Everybody have their eyes and ears on?
Yep. All right. Lose $100?
I'm ready to lose. You know what? I hope he does beat me.
We've never shot before either. I've never shot with you before.
We've never shot before. No. You're a good shooter, aren't you?
Tight group.
That's a tight group. That is a tight group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's probably about a couple of inches. I think he may have beat me. I don't know, it's gonna be tough. I think he may have me. I do know this, my first shot went off before I anticipated it, or before I expected it to go off. I had to adjust my point of aim because I knew there was no way. All right, so let's do this. Let's take a piece of paper off here. And we'll do edge to edge. I think I've got you. Do we have a pen handy?
I think you got it.
I think we'll get the
Pretty close. Pretty close. With the edge?
The edge.
Yeah. You got it.
All right, you wanna do one more set?
Heck yeah.
All right, let's do one more set.
But this time, if he beats you again, it's another 100 off.
He beat me
I beat him on this one.
by
Okay.
quarter inch.
Yeah.
So
Do you wanna do it for 100 again?
It goes back up.
Yeah. Goes up 100 or down 100?
All right.
Yes?
Sure.
All right. So right now we're at even money. So you just didn't get the extra 100 off. If I win, you're 100 more than what we agreed on. If you win, we're 100 less. Let's
Deal.
do it. Trigger is stupid light. I was not expecting it at all. We're gonna do it again.
Bottom right.
Bottom right it is, go for it. All right, so I will tell you, I believe that the sights do need adjusted, which we weren't really going for dead center, we're doing tightest group. I believe the sights do need adjusted slightly to the right and maybe 1 notch up, but that could be how I'm setting the sight. All right, I'm not taking your extra $100, but it made it more fun to bet.
Why not?
It's not.
Deal's a deal.
Nah,
That was nice though.
I like it. I like it a lot.
this is really good footage.
Yes, I'm sure people will enjoy watching that.
Yep, they're not gonna get nauseous at all.
If I do this at the same time, it'll look like
Oh,
it's not
that's
even
even
moving.
better.